If you're looking for a way to streamline your email marketing and create highly effective campaigns, Mailchimp Marketing Campaigns, the complete guide has got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or you've been using Mailchimp for a while, by the end of this video, you'll understand how to leverage Mailchimp's powerful features to take your marketing efforts to the next level. First things first, Mailchimp offers a simple, intuitive platform to design and automate your campaigns, making it easier than ever to communicate with your audience. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, and you can start using it for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's dive into the core features that will help you succeed. Next thing, you need to understand the Mailchimp campaign types. There are three main types: regular campaigns, A/B testing campaigns, and automated campaigns. Regular campaigns are great for sending one-off emails, while A/B testing lets you compare different email versions to see which performs better. Automated campaigns are ideal for creating email sequences that run on their own, saving you time while maintaining engagement with your audience. The fourth thing you want to get familiar with is Mailchimp's drag-and-drop email builder. This tool is one of the easiest ways to create professional-looking emails. You can customize everything from images to text blocks, making sure your emails reflect your brand. The best part? You don't need to be a designer to use it effectively. Next up, let's talk about audience segmentation. This feature allows you to divide your subscribers into different groups based on their behavior, interests, or demographics. With this, you can send highly targeted campaigns that resonate more with your audience and increase engagement rates. The sixth thing is understanding the reporting tools Mailchimp provides. After sending out your campaigns, you need to analyze how they performed. Mailchimp gives you detailed analytics like open rates, click rates, and unsubscribe rates to help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Use this data to optimize your future campaigns for better results. Next, let's look at automating your email workflows. Automating your campaigns ensures that you're reaching out to subscribers at the right time without manual effort. Whether it's a welcome email, a birthday discount, or a follow-up on abandoned carts, Mailchimp allows you to set these up with ease, making sure you're always engaging with your audience. The eighth thing is integrating Mailchimp with your other platforms. Whether it's your e-commerce site, social media, or even your CRM system, Mailchimp integrates seamlessly with a variety of apps, making it easy to centralize all your marketing efforts in one place. This can save you time and reduce the complexity of managing multiple platforms. Finally, let's touch on the power of Mailchimp's analytics and testing tools. By utilizing A/B testing and segmentation, you can continually refine and improve your campaigns. This ensures that every email you send out is more effective than the last. As we wrap up, remember that Mailchimp marketing campaigns can help you grow your business by automating your email outreach, creating targeted campaigns, and providing insightful data to help you optimize your efforts. And don't forget, you can try Mailchimp for free and gain access to exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out the free trial and get started with Mailchimp today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.